In this video, I'm going to show you how to find products to sell on Amazon with Helium 10. Now, the first thing you want to do, you want to sign into your account and then hover over products up here. And for this, we're going to be using black box, which says find products to sell. So hover over discover product opportunities and click on launch black box over here. Once you open this, you'll be able to see you can then go ahead and start looking for products. First, you have to select your marketplace over here. I'm going to select .com. And then you can either use the simple version, which looks like this. It's very convenient and easy to use. Or you can use the advanced version, where you have to put in all the details, all the data for yourself, and then search that way. And it's going to give you much more of a refined search. However, it's going to take a bit of time for all of this to be filled in and to actually, you have to kind of know what you're doing if you actually want to use the advanced one. So we're going to go with the simple one. And here you have to pick up 3 areas you're familiar with. So if you don't know which area, which niche you want to basically go into, let's say I want to go into electronics, I can just click on that, expand camera and photo, etc. And then you can go ahead and keep expanding and adding things in here. Or if you don't want to do that, you can just click surprise me, which we're going to do right now. And then you have to go to the next 4 steps. So first, what price range you're most comfortable selling at. I'm going to click this one. Product size, should you want the product to fit into a shoebox? Yes, I would like that. Competition, I'm going to do moderate. And then how much I want to make. I'm going to do 1K for this tutorial. Here, after that, you want to click on search. And it's going to give you a bunch of different products you could actually be selling, as well as the categories, the prices, the parent level sales, the ASIN sales, etc. So we can go more to the right over here with this slider, and you can see a bunch of different things, such as the brands, number of images, last year's sales, seller country regions, sellers, etc. There's going to be a bunch of different ones. You can also open up these graphs to see how things are selling. Okay, which is very convenient. And after that, you can just go through this, and in case you find something interesting, then you've basically found your product you can then use to kind of get the idea of what you could be selling on Amazon. So that's pretty much it. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.